Hey everyone, do you want to make a FLUMBO plushie? What you're going to need is some paper and a writing utensil, some glue sticks with a glue gun, scissors, your blue fabric, some red, yellow, black, and white felts, and some fluff. Start off by folding the sheet of paper in half and getting ready to do our stencil. I make this version of FLUMBO a little bit chibi, so let's go ahead and sketch out the shape we want it to be. Just only doing half of his body, because when we fold it in half, we'll have a whole thing just like this. And now let's cut it out. Let's figure out how big we want his arms. So we're gonna make him about that big. The stencil done, let's go ahead and pull the fabric really nice side down, and we're just gonna be drawing on this side. We're gonna draw out 2 of these. And now let's do 4 of the arm shape. Now you're gonna wanna cut everything out. Let's get ready to glue everything up. We're gonna take the hot glue gun and run a nice bead around one side each and then flip them over to one side. But we're also gluing on the nice side. While those are drying, we can go ahead and map out the designs that are around his eyeballs and his mouth for the yellow felt. So let's do that now and then cut it out. Now let's draw the mouth on the red and the eyelashes and beard thing on the yellow and cut them out. For the eyes, you can use the black and white felt, but for me, I'm going to opt out and use some painted glass cabochons. Now that the arms are finally cooled down, we're gonna go ahead and flip them inside out, just like so. Once those are flipped and done, we're gonna start taking a little bit of fluff and just fluff them inside like so. Now let's take the body that we cut out nice side up, and we're gonna glue the whole perimeter. But first, we're gonna glue the arms inside like this. Now we're gonna glue the whole perimeter of the whole thing and putting this piece down facing each other, just like this. Now once that's nice and cooled down, we need to figure out where the mouth is gonna be. So roughly in this general vicinity right here, we're gonna cut a hole and then we're gonna flip it all inside out. And now we're gonna stuff him up as well. Alright everyone, he might not be the best looking thing, but at least we had fun doing it. Just make them the way you want them and how you want them, and as long as you have a good time. But until then, thanks for watching.